Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to do a little bit of a PR unboxing. So I am going to be unboxing the latest PR package from Pixi. This is the brand that every influencer wants to be on the list for. I love their products, I'm such a fan, and they do the most epic send outs of any brand ever. Well, I think, I don't know, maybe if I had like 2 million subscribers or followers, they would be like next level. They'd be like, I don't know, Louis Vuitton unboxings. But I don't know. For me, I'm like, this is as good as it gets. My God, I can't speak. I'm too excited. So yeah, let me show you what I got. Hello. What have we got here? By the way, is that not the prettiest box ever? That's the keeper. I'm not gonna lie, I am so excited. So let's see what we've got. Ooh, it's a product I have not tried before. This is the antioxidant tonic. So apparently it contains blueberry and birch water, both amazing for antioxidant purposes. Ooh, apparently white ginger lily helps to shield against blue light and UV. How amazing is that? And you use it morning or night, and they've even given us some reusable cotton pads to apply it. If you've never used these pads before, you actually wash them in the little bag, but if you lose the bag, you can just shove them in with your regular washing. And these are honestly so good. I'm completely switched now from using cotton pads to these, and I honestly don't notice a difference. I just save some money, and I think they're really good. They're great for the environment. So yeah, I would highly recommend if you haven't already switched. And I am very much looking forward to trying this. What a lovely treat to get in the post today. So there we have it. That is what is inside the latest Pixi influencer box. And yeah, I cannot wait to get involved. I cannot wait to try it. I always love an antioxidant. And yeah, I'm a huge fan of Pixi skincare. It is glorious. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.